Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix TikTok comments. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to show your comments on your TikTok, then follow the steps. The first thing to do is to close your TikTok application and reopen it. Close off your TikTok app if it is running in the background and go back to TikTok app displayed in the app drawer. Press hold to the TikTok application and tap on App Info. Now, tap on the first top button in the bottom right hand corner and in the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping OK. Now go back to your TikTok app and try launching it on. If it still does not work, go to Profile at the bottom right. Now, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner, click on Settings and Privacy, scroll all the way down and tap Log Out. Confirm logging out by tapping on Log Out at the bottom one more time. Once you log out of your TikTok, go back to Profile at the bottom right again and select your account that you'd like to log in with. And that might solve your issue after you log into your account. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to reinstall TikTok application. To do that, delete your TikTok application by pressing hold to the app and tap on Uninstall in the pop-up. Confirm account uninstallation by tapping OK in the pop-up and now go back to Play Store. Search for TikTok in the search bar. Reinstall the application back again and now tap open TikTok after reinstallation and see if that fixes your issue. If it still does not work, then the next thing to do is to clear out your app cache for TikTok. Press hold TikTok application and select App Info in the pop-up. From the App Info page, tap Storage. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right hand and go back to TikTok and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to load comments or your TikTok application is not showing comments. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.